And today was another good day for trading. So what we ended up seeing here is that we had our numbers already here. We're looking at it now on the 4-hour chart. We had it before out and back on the 1-day chart. But what we can see is that the first place that there was some immediate term support for the dollar was at the September numbers, and then now the support location was at the mid August numbers. Interesting to note is that on this bounce that the dollar did, the bounce didn't quite touch its 20 before pulling back. So that's something to keep your eye on. Again, we did get this kind of similar action here on off the drop, bounce, consolidate, drop. This could be a bounce into another consolidation before another drop, or it could grab its 20. We do know what the 20-period moving average likes to do if price is able to get on top of it. And so that's what we're watching here. Again, this was stopped short of ever touching the 20. And so because of that reason, this does look to have a further downside to it. We do have, as far as doable goods orders coming in tomorrow, those numbers coming in tomorrow, as well as the continuing jobless claims numbers and the consumer sentiment numbers as well. So that could push the dollar down even further, as well as having our AUD news coming in as well for the Australian dollar. So we have both of those reporting, and with those reports we'll look to see kind of what ends up happening here for the dollar itself. We did see with the UC idea, the UC idea was able to hold on to, so it lost it throughout the trading day and was able to recapture it and close above it. For as far as above 137, we saw with the GU idea, the GU idea was able to get multiple touches up here at the midpoint, but ultimately not getting any closes at all above it. But even with the closes, still remaining above this minor quarter level here, which looks to continue to hold and push it up after this period of consolidation. Again, nicely up still for the week. We have for the EU idea, that idea did come back down to not only the 109 area, but also to its 20-period moving average as it dropped below its weekly open, but it did close with this weekly open. So we're watching this one to watch this move go back up, because again, it was caught by its 20-period moving average, as well as that 109, that dime area there. We have for the AU idea, again, sitting right here at the minor wildcard area, pushed up, was rejected. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 touches here, all of them getting rejected. And now you have here at the minor wildcard area, price holding here at the 65.5. And then we have for the NU idea, pretty much very similar with the minor wildcard area. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches here at the minor quarter level before ultimately getting rejected from there and finding its home here at the minor wildcard area. Again, on watch, and we'll look at and we will see the UJ idea as well, because again, this one we got it down to the major quarter level of 147.50, and again we got 4 touches here, so 4 touches here, and then a bounce off of that. Again, we call this one as far as being on watch for a potential touch here at the 20-period moving average, in the same way that we called it on the dollar index. It did not get that touch in the same way that the dollar index did not get that touch, and so now it is continuing in the trend that it is in. And so that's what we're looking like for these trade ideas. Again, we do have the durable goods coming in. We have the jobless numbers coming in, as well as consumer sentiment. All of those coming in tomorrow. And then we also have in the evening, we have for the Australian dollar, the Judo Bank Manufacturing and Services PMI numbers coming in the evening. So we'll be having all of those on watch and taking the trades as they appear. Look forward to seeing you guys over in Discord.